Hi, I'm Akhila, and 10 days ago, all of a sudden, I developed severe gastritis issues and started experiencing like back pain. So I thought it was regular gastritis issues, and just I went to my family doctor, and he gave me indeed medications for gastritis, but that kind of didn't help. And that's when he told me to go meet an expertise who's into gastroenterology and who'd be able to help me better. And that's when he recommended I go meet Dr. Harish. When I came and met Dr. Harish, he told me to go through few tests. What could it be the reason? And indeed, before meeting Harish God, I had gone to another gastroenterologist in the ultrasound where I had figured out that there were gallbladder stones that I need to take care of. I wanted second opinion and someone who I could feel comfortable with, or who would be able to explain if I really have to go ahead to get my gallbladder removed. And that's when Dr. Harish explained to me exactly in the way that I would be convinced, like what exactly was the issue and why I had to go ahead with this. Because had it been very small stones, he said that we could, wait and monitor. But then one of the gallstones was quite big, almost close to 1 centimeter, and which could further cause problems to me. And that's when it's not that he just jumped into the decision right away. Took all the tests. He double, checked it whether the gallstones were really big enough that he had to remove the gallbladder. And when we were convinced that that would be the best way ahead, he then, explained to me exactly how the procedure would be done, and how the recovery would be, and how the life post gallbladder removal would be in thorough. And that's when I was convinced that okay, I think I should go ahead with this. And while coming to the surgery part of it, the whole process is so smooth. The whole staff is extremely courteous, extremely helpful. They are right there taking care of you right from the beginning. You step in till you like step out. You're in very safe hands, and Dr. Harish is extremely experienced. He knows, he has the knack, and I think he's one of the best doctors I have been got in touch with. And definitely I would suggest everyone, in case if you're going through any of the issues, to please come and have a word with him. He's very well versed with what he does. And right now, my surgery was yesterday. I'm sitting all upright and talking, and I'm feeling so much better already. And thanks to Dr. Harish and all the staff at Himas, I think you guys are doing an incredible job. Thank you so much.